Welcome back. So today I have this Honor Magic Pencil 4S, and this is not launched in Malaysia. This is actually launched in some other countries like Saudi Arabia, and it is launched in the Europe region as well. I actually got mine from China directly. So now let us unbox this. Okay, here are the contents. We have the extra nib, the stylus itself, some warranty information, and also a quick start guide. Both of these are in Chinese because this is a Chinese variant Honor Magic Pencil 4S. So this is a side-by-side comparison against the Honor Magic Pencil 3 at the bottom. The Honor Magic Pencil 3 is slightly longer by a tiny bit. In terms of weight, the Honor Magic Pencil 3 is heavier, it feels more solid compared to this Honor Magic Pencil 4S. Okay, but if you are someone that prefers a lighter stylus, then this one may be more suitable. Now let me try this on the older tablet, which is the Honor Magic Pad 2. Okay, I'm not sure whether it will work with that tablet because officially it is not supported based on the list. So now let me try it on the Honor Magic Pad 2. Okay, so here is my Honor Magic Pad 2. Let me just attach it on top. There is no response from this particular stylus. Alright, it doesn't wake up the Bluetooth and so on. Let me just try the Honor Magic Pencil 3 for you guys to see. Okay, something like this should come out, but when I use the Honor Magic Pencil 4S, it doesn't come out. Anyway, let me just put this aside, turn on Bluetooth manually, and attach it again. Nope. The one connected was the Honor Magic Pencil 3 because this was previously connected. Okay, not the Honor Magic Pencil 4S. This is a bit disappointing because I was hoping that this can be used with the Honor Magic Pad 2. Anyway, let me try to get my Honor Pad V9 here because that tablet is officially supported. Okay, so here is my Honor Pad V9 and I have turned off the Bluetooth. So I will now connect my Honor Magic Pencil 4S to this tablet. See? The animation comes out. Honor Magic Pencil 4S, Bluetooth will be enabled when connecting. So let me just connect. Alright. Okay. I have just updated the firmware for this stylus. So currently it is running on firmware version 0.0.6.56. If we look at the description of the pencil, the side button here, there are 3 features. The first one will be press and hold to open the Notes app, single tap to operate apps. I think this is regarding to video playback, and double tap to switch to eraser. This is for inside the Notes app. So now let me just go to the Notes app, create a new note. Okay, this one has palm rejection, no problem. Double tap to switch to eraser. To switch back to the pencil, just double tap again. Alright. As for long press to enter notes. Let me just clear out the notes. Long press it. Okay, here we go. Nothing too special because I think it's a bit too long. I rather just click on it myself, but it's just good to have. Okay, so basically this one does support Honor Pad V9 but not Honor Magic Pad 2. I'm not sure about Honor Magic Pad 3 because I don't have it with me now. I've kept it away, so I need some time to pull it out. Anyway, for those that are wondering, this one actually works with Honor Pad V9, and if you somehow need a replacement stylus, you can probably consider this. Alright, this is much lighter than this Honor Magic Pencil 3. So if you prefer a lighter stylus, then this can be a good choice to consider. So I think that's it for today. I will just try it out later on the Honor Magic Pad 3 and see how it goes. Thank you for watching and have a nice day ahead.